how to replace the front license plate cover on your 1997 to 2004 C5 Chevy Corvette. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The front bumper license plate filler is only held in with two Phillips head screws, one right here and one right here. I'm going to use my Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws, and we should be able to get the filler plate out. Go ahead and use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws. Once the screws are out, go ahead and remove the license plate cover. And right here, I'm just giving everything a quick clean before I install my new cover. I'm using a carbon fiber cover with gold letter inserts. So now just take your replacement cover, get it into position, and install the two screws. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.